Hey everyone, this is Landon with the dentconnection.com in Marble Falls, and I've got this Ram 3500 behind me, and it's got a lot of hail damage on it. And I'm just going to kind of take you in, kind of show you what it looks like before. And you're going to notice a bunch of circles on that all over the vehicle, because we had to circle it for the insurance company and take pictures, and we had to count the dents. That's kind of the process that the insurance companies use for estimating. So. Anyways, I'm going to take you in, show you a little bit of what it looks like before, and kind of show you some the work that we're going to perform during, and then I'll show you the after. So now we are going to replace the hood on this, and it can be repaired, but it really is more cost effective in this particular case just to go ahead and replace the hood. It's got dents in the fenders, doors. I'll take you in close so you can kind of really see the dents or what damage looks like up here on the roof. And you'll be able to really see that this thing has a lot of dents. And everywhere we circled is a dent, and even places that we didn't circle have dents because there's just so many of them. It's just, we're just trying to circle most of them for the insurance company so they can see them. But we're going to fix all this paintless, so no painting involved. That way this vehicle will retain its factory paint, and it'll also, the repair time will be much less versus having to cut the roof off, weld the new roof on, repaint everything. Sometimes you just have to do that, but we're going to try to get this all done so save the customer a bunch of time, and we'll be saving the insurance company some money as well. And it's got it back in here too, all these little circles. I know it's kind of hard to see, but everywhere there's a circle, there's a dent. So it's got lots of dents on it. You can kind of see maybe in here. So some of these are kind of small on the top of these, top of this bed. You can see on the hood, even though we're going to replace the hood, you can still see the damage. Anyways, I'll show you another update as we kind of move along, and you can kind of see some of the work that was done before and after. All right, guys, here's a look at the roof of this Ram truck with the hail damage on it, and I have done the left side of the roof. And the right side has not been done yet, as you can see. There's still a lot of dents in there. So you can see how Paintless Dent Repair can do a really nice job on hail. And that way you don't have to put a new roof on, or they cut it off, put a new one on, no Bondo, no repaint, all factory, still in place. So that's an update so far. Give you an update again in a little while. All right, everyone, this is Landon with the dentconnection.com here in Marble Falls, and I'm going to take you around and show you the what it looks like after the hail damage was repaired on this Ram 3500 that we're working on here. So here we go. All right, and you'll still be able to see that there's still circles on the hood. The hood's still damaged, but the hood's going to be replaced. So that's just kind of the way we do things with body shops, is some things that are a little bit too labor intensive, or it's got too many dents, then the insurance company tends to go, and we'll also agree with that, and go with replacement versus us trying to repair it. Even though this hood's really pretty much still repairable paintless, but it's just the best way to go as far as the insurance company goes. Anyway, so all the other circles are all gone. Not that you can really see every little thing anyways, but you can kind of see here I've cleaned this all up, and I'll get up on the roof and show you what that really looks like. I mean, we had to take the headliner down. You see the back glass is out. We took the back glass out. That way we could really get in there and see every dent from almost virtually any angle we wanted to do a really good repair. All right, I'm going to get up on the roof now. I'll check that out. shakiness there. You remember in the previous videos, well, I had 2 lights up there. Right now I only got 1, but remember all the dents that were up here on the roof, and this kind of just gives you kind of an example. If you have any questions about this kind of stuff, you can just give us a call. We're glad to talk to you about it. You know, we can't fix everything, but we try to save what we can. The less paint and body work, better for you as an owner. No dirty Carfaxes, hopefully. At the very least, you have no repaint, so that doesn't devalue the vehicle. So anything that we don't have to repaint is key. I appreciate you watching. I hope this is educational. And if you have any questions, again, 830-660-0580, dentconnection.com, Marble Falls, Texas. We provide mobile services as well for door dings and stuff like that. So name's Landon. Just give us a call if you got any questions. Appreciate you watching.